Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to buy a professional domain name on Namecheap in 2025, step by step. Whether you're launching a business, agency, or personal brand, it only takes a few minutes and costs less than lunch. First, head to Namecheap.com. It's one of the most affordable and reliable platforms to register domains, perfect for beginners. You can use other sites like GoDaddy or Google Domains too, but I find Namecheap the simplest to start with. Here's where it gets fun. Let's imagine we're starting a small marketing agency that helps law firms grow online. I'll type in legalgrowthmarketing.com. As you can see, it's taken, which happens a lot. Don't worry, that's normal. When your first choice is gone, try adding or changing one word that still fits your brand. So instead of marketing, let's try legalgrowthmedia.com. And it's available. That's a clean, professional name, short, clear, and easy to remember. You always want something that sounds trustworthy and instantly tells people what you do. And as you can see here, it's even better. There's a promo code showing NEWCOM649, which brings the price down to $6.49 for the first year. That's a great deal, so just copy that code and keep it for checkout. Now I'll click Add to Cart. Notice the price, around $11.28 per year, which gives you full ownership of your domain for 12 months. Before we move on, Namecheap gives you the option to add a free business email trial. It's usually a 2-month trial, and you can choose something like info@legalgrowthmedia.com or contact@legalgrowthmedia.com. That instantly makes your business look more professional and trustworthy. If you don't want to pay for an email later, no problem. You can always use a free tool like Zoho Mail down the road. Next, click Checkout. Here, paste the promo code we saw earlier, and notice you'll need to create an account first to apply it. So go ahead and click Create Account, then fill in your username, password, first and last name, and email address. Once that's done, select Create Account and continue. Now paste your promo code again. As you can see, it says Coupon Code Successfully Applied. The subtotal drops to $6.69. Before paying, make sure you turn on Auto Renew so you don't accidentally lose your domain later. Namecheap might offer you a few extras like rank higher in search or site lock website protection. You can skip those for now, or keep one or two if you'd like a bit of extra security. Finally, click Confirm Order. Fill out your account contact information and proceed to the payment method section where you can safely enter your card details, and that's it. Once you complete your payment, the domain is officially yours. Think of it as your online office, your digital property. All right, that's it. You now have your domain ready to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick, beginner-friendly tutorials like this one. And if you want to take the next step, learning how to actually turn this setup into a real business that gets clients and income, you'll find a link in the description to my full program, the Agency Success Blueprint. It walks you through everything from branding and outreach to landing your first clients without wasting months figuring it out alone. Check it out below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.